In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scrap inventory in the Inventory app. If you need to remove damaged, expired, or unusable stock from your available inventory, the scrap feature is the right tool to use. It helps keep your stock records accurate, and it also gives you a clear record of what was removed and why. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create and confirm a scrap order from start to finish. To begin, open the Inventory app. Once you're inside, look for the Operations menu. From there, go to Scrap. This is the section where you can review existing scrap orders and create a new one whenever stock needs to be removed from inventory. Next, click New to create a new scrap order. This opens the form where you'll enter the details for the item you want to scrap. The first thing you'll need to do is select the product you want to scrap. Make sure you choose the correct item, especially if you manage similar products or multiple variants, since this action will directly affect your inventory count. After selecting the product, enter the quantity you want to scrap. This should match the amount of stock that is no longer usable or should be removed from available inventory. It's a good idea to double check this number before moving forward so your stock levels remain accurate. If needed, enter a scrap reason. This part can be helpful for internal tracking and reporting. For example, you might use it to note that the item was damaged, expired, or returned in unsellable condition. While this may be optional depending on your process, adding a reason can make future reviews much easier. You'll also see an option called Should Replenish. Enable this if you want the scrapped quantity to be replenished. In other words, this tells the system that the removed stock should be replaced, which can be useful if the item needs to be reordered or restocked to maintain inventory levels. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm. After confirmation, the scrap order will move to Done. At that point, the scrapped quantity will be reflected in your inventory, so your stock records will be updated accordingly. That's all there is to it. By using the scrap function properly, you can keep your inventory clean, reliable, and aligned with what you physically have in stock. Thanks for watching.